this rickety bridge. It's pretty scary. Out here hiking in Mount Tamalpais, Mount Tam for short. I'm just taking you along, showing you the trail. Hopefully there's some waterfalls. But yeah, come join me. It's like foggy in this area. All of a sudden, it got super cold, but it's really nice. Kind of scary too. It's the first waterfall, real waterfall we've seen today. Okay, this is crazy. Like down here, it's like all cold and wet and green, and then all of a sudden, we got dry grass, and it's getting hot. It's so weird. Weather in this climate, in this terrain it's different. Still got the fog in the sky. It's pretty eerie. I don't know if you can see, there's water, the ocean right there. Covered by fog, but it's there. The water is there. You can see the water from here, but it's really foggy still.
Dude, what happened? Huh? Bulging.
Taking a break. Heading back now. It's getting late, so going back down this trail. Hopefully it's not that rugged. As soon as I turn this on, it's gone. Oh dang, that was a little jumpy boy, huh? Back at this bridge.
Oh shit, I fell! Oh!
It looked right in his head. There you go. I was just like...